Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what are the benefits of IoT in vehicles. Nowadays, different manufacturing vendors are using IoT in their devices and making our life easy. Those IoT devices, whether that's a home appliances, or fridge, refrigerators, our washing machine, our lights, our air conditioning system, water system, we are able to control remotely. Okay, so different technologies are emerging to making the devices more efficient, just to collecting the information about the working of their devices. So what are the benefits of IoT in vehicles? So let's discuss. When the manufacturer or in automobile sector, when they are using IoT services or IoT technologies in their different parts of the vehicle, for example, let's say in car, okay, and they are having some sensor inside just to observe the performance of the engine, okay, and other main parts, say what are the air pressure in the tire, what are the air conditioning status, okay, sound system and many other things we can observe through the IoT sensors, okay. And what are the benefits of all these things? For example, we are going to our office and we need to be on time, okay, because for example, say we need to attend a meeting, that's very important. And generally for just going to office, whatever the route we are taking daily, that's having huge traffic, okay. So we can see, yes, before just taking that route we can see, yeah, with the help of a number of applications are there, we can see, yes, there are huge traffic on that particular route at that time, okay. So just we can change our route and we can divert from that existing to the another one, so that we can be at time on our office, okay. And other things what these IoT devices can help, predicting maintenance, okay. So for example, say engine, it is not performing well, there are the few parts of that engine is not up to the mark, okay. So those IoT sensors are sending us the data, yes, this is the performance of your engine and you need some maintenance of it, okay. So before that fully damaged, we can observe, yes, some maintenance is required for that particular part of our vehicle, so just we can maintain it at the time, okay. Another thing is for parking, okay, it's a big issue nowadays, parking, so just to get a parking. For example, I am using an app which is finding out the parking vacant near to the destination where I want to park my car, okay. And another person who is having a garage at that location and it is just vacant, and just to park at that particular location, I sent a request and the owner of that garage, he is in office, okay. So even the door of that garage can be opened if that IoT sensor is having installed over there, they can open it from the office remotely, they can open it, okay. And whatever the charges for hourly basis I have to pay to that particular owner of the garage, and then we can just, for example, I can get the parking slot for my car, okay. So this is also can be helpful, clear. And for example, a cargo of fruit and vegetable is just need to be at destination, okay, and whatever the containers they are having on the truck, that need to be maintained at a particular temperature and the humidity, because inside it's a vegetable and the fruit, okay. So the owner of those car or those cargo or the trucks, they can identify, yes, my particular fleet of the vehicle at right now at what location they are, what are that the situation of our fruits or vegetables, what's the temperature inside that container, they can also maintain. And nowadays the devices whatever we are using, whether that's a GPS system or we are using our stereo system, it is just also providing lot of information to us, clear. And whatever the updates, security updates or the new features related to that particular software is coming, definitely we can also update on our vehicle, okay. So IoT devices when we are using in vehicle, definitely it is just giving us lot of freedom, information, and can help even to provide the security to our devices, okay. And follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notifications for the next interesting informative session, and also share that video with your friends so that they will be able to understand the importance of IoT on the vehicles, okay. Also share that video in the group so that group member will also be benefited out of this series. And in the next session I will discuss about why are security operations centers growing rapidly. It's great news. Being in the field of IT, you might be able to acquire the skills so that you would be able to get a wonderful position in the field of cybersecurity at SOC. Namaste. See you in the next session.